fact, I've got several stories really. There was one little boy in a session that I did only a couple of weeks ago. He remembers me from last year, and he was saying, "Pep, can you do the scarecrow one?" And I was like a poem jukebox. He was asking me to do different poems, but what was lovely, he was telling his friends, "Oh, he did this, he's really funny." So yeah, he could have been my little PR chappie. There was another little girl that I'd visited her school, and she said, "You came to my school, how come you're here with HAF?" And I had to explain that. But I think the best one I ever had, there was one little boy, I think it was one of the sessions last year, it might have been Easter this year. He spoke to one of the members of staff, and they came back and said to me, on the way, he said, "I've had a great session today. When I'm older, I want to be a poet." And I know as a child, I'd have loved the opportunity. I'd have loved to have somebody like me come in and talk about the spoken word and how you can manipulate words for emotional effect. And yeah, so that's got, but again, you'd need another video for me to tell you how much of all the stories and all the positive impact that HAF's had on my life and of the young people that I've met.